morning. Today we are climbing a volcano. Yes, an active volcano. I'm with my classmates and slash friends. This is gonna be my first time climbing Muswan Peak, and they say, legend says that it's like a tradition in our university to climb a volcano. It's like a requirement for graduation. Maraming manginadlaw. Asa dami inadlaw? Sige, asa ka manginadlaw?
Guys, namin karon mangguna manggod may basok para sa laser bag.
Oh, mangguna may. Kapoy kay maguna. Uy, kapoy kay maguna ga.
Pero wala pa kay tanang subod. Wala pa na subod. Kapoy na minaam gunahan. Kana sa pasaka di sa babaw. Watong basukan. Tara, o, sige mo magkaban ng basok. Dagan kayo may magbasok, guys. Abot dito ang nabasok ko.
Dagan kayo mga kat. Kasi mahugyo ang buntod ba? Guys, let's go. Hey guys, it is 7:21. We are like 3 minutes in. Love the nature vibe here. Juan.
Hey guys!
Nadagma sila.
Climbing Mount Everest.
Grabe, mura man.
Need to catch up with them, guys. They're walking really fast and I'm just like walking slowly because I am taking videos and trying to soak in the view because it's my first time here. There are monkeys, but my camera is not giving it chances. Ah, man siya.
Les! Ala, tara! Tadagan lagi sila. Di maklaro eh.
We haven't eaten our breakfast yet, so we're hungry. I'm so hungry. I'm starving!
Me too, I'm so hungry.
Plus, it's getting hot. The sun is out. Okay na ka, Les? Let's go! Lastly, Ivy, Juhaira, Jane, Andrea, Jessa, and I, we are in Mount Kalatungan.
Muswan Peak bitaw, guys.
We are in Mount Kalayo. Mount Kalayo, Muswan Peak. This is an active volcano, and an active volcano has a record of eruption for the past 1,000 years. Sakto! Station 6 na ta, guys. Interview ta guys kung sa ilang gibati. Let's start with Andrea Brillantes ng Bukidnon.
I have a lot of energy left and I'm super excited to be on top.
Wow!
Instead, bitaw, joke na.
Very lot of energy left. Ikaw?
It was tough and I don't think I can make it anymore.
Okay, give up already. There are things that are not worth. There are things that, you know, just
I'm so exhausted.
why?
Yeah, it's so hot.
Like,
It's not even half yet.
it's like
Na ba?
5 minutes pa man guro to nagbaklay.
Yeah, but it's
5 minutes.
so hot.
Ako ito, kakapoy mo. 5 na kasi.
I feel the fire.
Ang sa inyong gipang bati karon? Si Joe ang una.
Kasakit ba? Mole ko kay batog ko.
Si Jane. Gigaboy ka? Bawal ka po yun.
Nagigapin din na siya.
Bawal ka po yun, kay magulang ra ba ka?
Wala ko pinakakita dire.
Kaya na ko?
Awid mo nga.
Kubalik part ito mga suet. Ako na doon. Uche, hindi mo nagkakayo. Kaya sa good po, sa lindo ha?
No.
Galing ka dito, Tales. Dito sa aginas.
Hindi mo gusto na kung ano sila dire.
Okay raman.
Live mo na.
We are cheaters. Nag-shortcut me, guys. Ano nag-shortcut me? Para mas dool. Pero pagbalik unya, will be, hala. Diyan Joharan. Jessa. Let's go climb.
Huwag kang anak kung hala nagkuyo-kuyo.
Mura ni siya glugot, guys. Katong labanan na mo sa una.
Che.
Ah,
Wow, sa Jerry, pas-pas na ikay ka makalakong. Ay, mahal mo ka, chibugit ka din.
be.
Grabe si Cheryl.
The sunrise. So nice. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Les, good morning.
Why good sa morning?
Very ungrateful. Walang why good sa morning. View, honor. Na,
Ako nakuan mo sa sapatos ko, siya spike.
guys, na-share ko ano? Na-share damang. Ay, Jesus. Oh my God, there's a web. Time check, it is 7:53. Mapahuli sa alis, uni ano tadto?
Pressure ko nila gusto na
Life is not a race, man. Sabi ng Bini, ang buhay ay hindi karera.
Kapit na mapatag.
Ako po, si Benny Cheryl.
So ay.
Ang mga walay pamahaw. Ayan, pas mo. Nice kayo diri ay. Hindi kan may dito guys sa ubos. Look at how tungason. Diba? Grabe ka tungason. It's the 21st of August 2025. Holiday. Ninoy Aquino's Day. So, wala may klase. So, we decided to be here. No? Conquer the Mount Kalayo today because legend says na kung di daw mo ni makatkat kay di daw ka-graduate sa university na mo karon. So, syempre gusto gud mi maka-graduate, no? Niya adventure po ni siya, guys. So, yeah. Leslie is fine. We are 12th or 13th station. Ikapila na ni nga station?
12 na daw.
12th. Time check, it is 8:10. We're almost on top. Yes. It was fine. How's the experience so far? I'm fine. My advice when you're gonna climb Mount Kalayo is you just have to walk at your own pace and, you know, do not rush. Pedro, huh? Siya gamay. Tower, guys. You know. everybody. We're going down. How was the experience?
Down.
How was the experience?
It was exhausting.
Meh. It was meh. It was fine. Worth the hype? No.
You got delay.
No, ganit daw.
Look at those 4 guys, they are running. And I don't know why they are running. Like, I'm just walking, you know. And then Leslie and Jane right behind me. So I am in the middle. I'm just alone. Oh my god, it's so hot. It's currently 10:32 and haven't eaten my breakfast. So I'm starving right now. And I have rice. I have my baon, but I have no ulam, just rice, and then my water. I don't have water anymore. It's gone. So I'm kind of thirsty too, but yeah. Look at this many forest. Look at this forest, guys. Yeah, right. Earlier we saw some monkeys up in the trees. They were playing. Dito na po tayo sa paanan ng bulkan. Pauwi na po tayo, guys. Grabe, hindi naman ako masyadong napagod. Pero okay lang naman. Tsaka experience na din, diba? Kaya yun. Kung gusto niyo pong umakyat, go lang. Okay lang. Tsaka ano, dapat may pagkain kayo kasi gutom. Siguro hindi ko kasi wala akong almusal. Kaya hindi ko na gutom. Gusto ko na kumain, guys. Yun lang po. Bye!